This is the way we celebrated another birthday.
I'll put out the best house for you.
Well,
What's this?
Oh.
where do I begin?
What are they staring at? I've got it covered. I'll take this as well. This is gonna be a full-on castle. Meow, my castle's ready.
I see it.
Fabulous house, right?
What?
You might want a larger place.
Easy, it's handcrafted.
I'll leave this over here.
Basically done. Phew. Thanks.
This might come in handy.
This stays right here.
The grand opening is on. Yay, yay!
That's one terrific house.
We should take a selfie.
Good old days. What's the matter?
Hey, you guys!
Owner, I got your back. Meow! Got it!
Whoa!
Not that big of a deal.
Thanks.
Great!
I have to go to school.
Well played. About time we played some games. Meow! Meow! I'm sick of it all. Yay! The owner is back. Hey! She's no owner. Stay right there.
That's a really funny cat.
You had it coming.
What's this?
Meow! Apparently we're out of bullets.
I'll handle you in a second.
See if you can catch me.
Ah, my nose.
Serves you right. Gotta figure something out ASAP. Take that, you thief!
Ow! What was that?
Take this!
Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
I'll tickle you!
Stop! Tickles are my biggest pet peeve.
You're busted!
Ah, let go of me!
What's happening? Who's that?
Meow! I caught a thief!
You belong behind bars. I'm innocent.
Never a dull moment around you.
Meow! That was basically nothing.
I got a gift for you.
I'm really big on surprises.
Here he is.
What's there? What's there?
Welcome, Fred.
Hi.
This is no surprise. This is lunch.
Lunch? I'm not food.
Don't hurt the fish.
Can't promise you that.
What are you up to?
I'll catch you. We're just playing games.
Help! Save me!
I have a feeling I'm gonna fall. My whole life flashed before my eyes that second.
Gosh, what happened?
It was an accident.
Aurora, what have you been through? Come, I need help. Help now. It's gonna be okay. It needs a charge. You guys, hit the thumbs up to save Aurora. This ain't gonna cut it. Come on, we're losing her. You guys, hurry. We need more thumbs up. Clear.
Meow! Did I miss anything?
I'm stoked you made it out alive. Thank you, guys.
What's all the big fuzz? Mom, a little lunch.
You have been the greatest vet. To be a vet's always been a dream of mine. I truly hope you make it. I have class to be at. Behave. I'll be back in a few.
Meow! Bye, owner! Meow! Cool video! Meow! That's cute!
My favorite kind of food.
The food tastes amazing! I might use a snack as well! Oh man! Where is food? You guys, comment down below where the food is! Here's the food! Thank you, guys! I'm starving! Yummy in my tummy! Now I'm thirsty! Here is milk! Meow! I'm living my best life! Meow! Hey, owner!
School is so stupid.
We should play!
Time to do homework.
She's kinda bummed out. I'll cheer her up with a surprise! Meow! I need this thingy! How do you reach it? I'll grab it! I'll grab it! Got it under control! That actually feels nice! First off, we take away the fur. Now I shape it. Trim the excess, but don't go too hard on it. I need that. Meow! I can imagine how hyped up Noah is going to be about it. You can paint a toy with that. Meow! Looking perfect. Go! Surprise!
Good God!
This is for you.
It's for me? Thanks! Oh, Lord! This is my ultimate makeup!
That was awkward.
Gotta clean this all up.
Ooh, there's a mistake. Now it's good. I did a great job.
Time to work out.
Meow, a workout? How about we just chill? Meow, nice machine.
This is not for you.
I was in the middle of my workout.
1, 2,
Gotta give it to me. My body is fit.
7, 8.
Kinda harsh. I was just in the middle of working on my abs. I'm so bored. I wanna play. Meow, what's it? What if the vase falls? Oopsies!
Oh no!
I have nothing to do with that.
Calls for a broom.
Meow, I was set to play. I'll clean it up in a second. Meow, I hurt my paw.
This is dreadful.
Thanks, that makes a big difference.
All clean now.
We're the dream team. I'm kinda cooked. It's a cat's paradise. Meow. I'm so full. What is this noise? Sweetest dream ever.
I can't believe it's my birthday.
Yay! We're having cake.
I have absolutely nothing to wear. I should go buy a new dress.
The owner needs a gift. I'll break a piggy bank apart. There's no cash. You know, I can actually start a new business and make a ton of cash. Just the thing. Cut out the extra piece. Hiya! Hiya! Next, we paint it. Meow. Perfect. Attach the sign. Meow. We're open. Meow. Where are the clients at? Oh, I forgot to put it up.
It's been long overdue.
Stay in line.
I want a fish. I'll have milk, please.
Meow, I'm loaded. Ordering.
Anybody home? Oh.
Meow, over here. This is my order. Meow, here you are.
Pleasure doing business with you.
Where do I put it? I put the gift over here.
I'm home.
Happy birthday. I have a gift for you.
What is it? Is it for me?
Open now.
That's cute. I wonder who it's from.
There's a note.
Oh. Thanks.
Finally, the cake! Yay! Happy birthday, owner! The birthday bash was lit.
Where did I put the phone?
Meow, meow, meow. This is my pillow.
Wanna play ball?
What's with the kids' games?
Incoming!
I got it! I got it! Meow! Stand right there!
Help! My cat is in labor! Where's the doctor? Quick, let's take her in for surgery. We'll check on the kittens. Whoa, 3 of them? There's a complication. Please save us. You'll be okay. Take a deep breath. Here are the babies. There's so many of them. What should I do? Take care of them. Hold on tight.
Here's the ball!
Is this your ball?
Uh-huh.
I'll play a little with it.
I'm head over heels in love!
Any chance you have food?
I do! I'll go get it! I'll cook the best sandwich for him! He's gonna love it! Wow, smells divine! Meow, I'll feed you, sweetie! Meow, hey!
Ooh, a sandwich.
Stop! This is not for you! This sandwich is mine!
What? An emergency! Be there in a moment! What happened? We don't know what kind of food they need. Amateurs. Do you have little bowls? Yep, here.
We want to eat together.
Okay. Here you go, kitten food.
Delicious!
You don't belong here. Sorry, I didn't mean to.
The kittens need to have their claws trimmed.
They look so small.
Done. Don't call me again if it's not an emergency. But... Guys, we need your help. Like this video to save the mama cat. Your likes will help bring her back to her kittens. How are you, babies?
We're thirsty!
Hold on. Give me that.
Hey,
Do you have anything better?
Perfect for babies.
finally.
I want one!
Me too.
Wait!
I want one!
Give it to them already.
You can be nice after all.
It's no big deal. This is so uncomfortable. How are we meant to sleep?
We need beds. This should work.
You can't have mine.
Look what a cutie!
Not this.
The plan worked. But it's missing something. I have a better use for these. Babies, your beds are ready.
So soft. Now we can nap.
I can't fall asleep.
They're still here.
Maybe this'll help? I know what else you need.
That's so pretty.
That'll work. This is for you.
I like it.
This is for you. Aw, look at them sleeping. I'll watch Troom Zoo.
Don't even think about it. That's my computer.
Mom told us to share. You always do this.
Nice. Now I can finally chill.
What's that smell?
It's mine.
We want some too.
You're ticking me off.
I can wear this to the party. What's wrong?
Our tummies hurt.
No, it's all my fault.
Calm down. I'll call the doctor.
Hurry. It's an emergency.
What's wrong?
They have tummy aches.
I feel sick.
What did they eat? Their food.
And hot wings.
What did you say? Everything's okay. Just do what I'm doing. Just like this, then like that.
Thanks. We already feel better.
Thanks. Lucas was so worried.
I was calm.
I'll write you a prescription. This will help with tummy troubles. What is that? Since we're done, I'm gonna go. I hope this is enough. Quick, let's go to the pet store.
What about the kittens?
They can come with us.
I'm not so sure.
I know. Perfect. My little babies.
Okay, are we going?
Let's ride.
Oops.
How dare you?
Sorry, it was our fault.
Babies. Go ahead.
Thanks. We'll need this.
No, we need this.
No, that.
This.
I'm gonna go for a walk.
Which one do you like more?
Where's the third one? You'll pay for this. Guys, did you see where the kittens went? Tell me in the comments. Time to fill up the aquarium. Pebbles.
Help us find him.
I guess. In the fish tank? Thanks, guys. Don't scare me like that again.
This is heavy. Let's go.
Hurry up. I have to go potty. Faster.
Come on, Daphne.
Hike!
Got it.
Hike!
Penalty.
Last round.
Now that's a red flag.
We want to play too.
Then you need a field and a ball.
We're shy.
Let's do some yard work. We need something green.
This will work better.
Why do you have that?
I wanted my room to be like Minecraft.
We can make a fence out of this!
Why didn't you share your ice cream?
You would have eaten it all! You can play!
This is so fun.
Fun!
You can actually eat this grass!
It doesn't taste good.
But grass is good for digestion!
Okay, since it's healthy.
I'm so tired.
We finally found something to keep them busy.
Seriously?
This is so fun!
That's not a toy!
This is fun.
Why did you do that?
I'm flying!
What a nightmare!
Call the doctor.
We can't handle this! They need to get some energy out. An amusement park! The base is ready!
What's it gonna be?
You'll see!
What should I do? That'd be cool. That was fast.
The trampoline is ready!
Cool. This is awesome.
This is even cooler.
Woohoo!
I hope they're happy!
What is it now?
Are you okay?
He pushed me. Oh, you just fell. That hurts.
You just fell off a trampoline.
I'm calling the doctor! Hello? It's urgent! I'll be right there. What happened? Were you busy? I was just getting proposed to! What's wrong with his paw? He fell. We'll secure this here.
I hope everything turns out okay.
What is this?
It fell out of my ear.
You need to clean your ears regularly. Yikes! This is a real nightmare.
I've been looking for that.
I need a vacation.
I'm so tired.
Relax.
Check out this vid. This is hilarious.
I wanna watch!
I'm trying to sleep here.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Here, you'll love this.
Fish! This is interesting!
I'll watch too.
It's hard to resist.
Wanna go for a walk?
Freedom. We haven't been here before.
I'm scared!
We have to go back. Who remembers the way?
Look who I saved.
Who's there?
Where are the kittens? Did you lose the kittens?
Where are my babies?
Mom, where are you?
I'm starving! There's basically nothing left. Oh no! Please, not dogs!
You're trapped.
You're in trouble! Nobody's gonna hurt me! What's going on? Why are you picking on the kitty? My poor baby! Good boy! Good boy! Barely made it!
Who are you?
Help save the cat!
Sure, we've got it covered.
Babysitter till I get back from school!
Baby, hang in there.
We have to help her ASAP.
Phew.
Her lungs buttons are failing.
Anything we could do about it?
Almost there.
Baby, stay with us. We're losing her.
Clear. Not enough power. You guys, I really need your help. Hit the like button so the kitty can live.
Hurry up. We really need your help.
We're close.
I'm all right. I'm all right.
Clear.
Come on, kitty. Open your eyes.
Wake up.
Bye.
How come? I failed. Kitty, I'm so sorry.
Court, giving up is not an option.
Fair point. This should do the job.
What is it?
Wait till you see.
Fingers crossed it works.
Yup, it's really good.
Awesome. I made it. Yeah, we made it.
Thanks for having my back.
I'd love to get a lot of likes. We should take a selfie.
Dirty cats don't get any likes.
You don't get it. Oh well, we should clean you up.
Use this. I got it on sale.
Good for you.
Hey, what are you up to?
Sweetie, you need a bath.
Hey, water!
Playing with a duck will distract you.
I don't like ducks.
Oh. Would this keep you distracted?
I don't like the sound of that.
We're done with the fur.
How'd you make it?
Let's take care of the ears.
Ew, that's filthy.
Ew.
Next, we'll get you dry.
Hey, I've seen it before. Hey, it's mine.
You can have it. I don't care.
We're done, I hope.
Not yet. Let's trim your claws. There you go.
Feels better than a bath.
Last one.
Easy there.
What did you have in mind?
Your paws will stay moisturized. Oh, I see you're feeling better. Let's dress you up.
Aw, cutie.
Oh.
No one cares about your posts.
No paparazzi. Okay, fine.
You're involved.
Ugh, you know how to get me.
Gosh, photo shoots are exhausting.
I think she needs a house of her own. That'll do.
Whoa, looks nice. It could be cozier, though. That'll be much better. Might as well move in.
Awesome. It feels so much better than the streets.
In case you feel like a bath.
Oh yeah, you'll be huge on TikTok.
I also want Instagram likes.